Guys, I wanted to show you these sensory stickers that I received from the company. These are really cool. Such a good idea. I just said to my son yesterday, he was 9, he always has to have a fidget toy on him. We were at the doctor's office for a while and definitely was like spinning around and moving. And I wish I had this with me at the time. So some fidget toys are distracting. They're loud. They can like come with lots of different pieces. I love that these could go anywhere. So I think it's like so smart. So you could put these directly like onto a water bottle, right onto like your laptop or onto the case of your phone, maybe behind it. So they can stick onto all different things. You can see the back. The stickiness is really good. It doesn't leave like a residue and it's strong. They come in 4 different types of textures, and it does like recommend or give suggestions for what the different textures will help with. Let's say it could help with anxiety, ADHD, different like autism, stress, just all different things. I personally love the way this feels, and I can understand how this will help like relieve maybe, some tension or stress. You could also stick them together. So then you have 2 different textures together and just hold on to it. I've seen, I've been thinking about putting into like the sleeve of my kid's jacket or sweatshirt so they could sit there and do that on their lunchbox. So endless ideas for these. And I just think it's like a really cool way to get a fidget toy without it being distracting or having the kids to have to remember to bring it. Or obvious, like my kids are getting bigger. Like they don't necessarily always want to have it like obvious, but it does help them. There's no question. It helps me. So they're silicone. They're made out of silicone. They're latex free, which is something I do look for. I don't like latex, how it feels. They don't have like an odor. They're definitely like a nice quality to them. They don't feel like cheap or anything. They feel like very nicely made. I wanted to give you a look at what size they are so you can get like a concept of like how big it is. So, maybe like the size of one of my fingers. Let's say, I want to do this right. Like the size of like my thumb. So you can get an idea how big it actually is. Definitely recommend these if you're looking for some type of like fidget toy, something different and like very inconspicuous, I guess. Really recommend these.